Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the camshaft position sensor on Chrysler and Jeep with the 2.8 liter CRD diesel engine. The car that I'm going to do this procedure on is a Chrysler Grand Voyager with a 2.8 liter CRD diesel engine. The camshaft position sensor on this engine is located on the top of the engine. So first we're going to remove the engine cover and then we're going to remove the air filter housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that we've removed the air filter housing, we have access to the camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor is located just underneath this air intake hose. It's held by one bolt, which is an Allen size 6. We remove that and then we can pull out the camshaft position sensor. That's the camshaft position sensor out. Now we need to disconnect it from its electrical connector and then we can replace the camshaft position sensor. That's the camshaft position sensor out. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.